Hello, I am Pranit Acharya. Today I will be talking about securing a note-taking application by Google Cloud Platform. We know that cloud computing allows organizations to access IT resources such as storage, servers, and software over the internet. However, the cloud infrastructure storing these information has seen 79% increase in attacks over the past 18 months. Therefore, cloud security involves policies, processes, and technologies to protect the cloud environment. Organizations must prioritize cloud security to safeguard their sensitive data. In this project, the note-taking application is hosted in Google Cloud Platform. It is a WordPress application written in Python and uses MySQL as a database. GCP or Google Cloud Platform is a cloud computing platform that offers scalable computing resources to users. It provides flexible pricing schemes, discounts, and expertise in the field of DevOps. GCP is also a leader in services like machine learning and big data for data projects. Additionally, GCP offers a user-friendly interface for managing and deploying services.
Is GCP used to host the application? And the first point is reliability. Since GCP is a product of Google and it ensures the high reliability and uptime for the applications hosted on the cloud. And the second one is global presence. Vast global network of data centers and points of presence are being the main highlights of Google, and it keeps on expanding the operations to new regions as well. And the third point is integration with other Google services. Seamless integration with other Google services such as Google Drive, Google Analytics, and Google Ads makes it much easier for the products to be hosted in the cloud. It is easy to scale the infrastructure up or scale down the infrastructure. You can avoid over provisioning of the systems, pay only for the resources that you consume. And the fifth one is cost effectiveness. There are special pricing schemes and special pay schemes that is available at the Google Cloud. So you can just only pay for the things that you have consumed. Cost effectiveness for all business of all sizes. And the sixth point is security. There are different kinds of security. Built-in security features are in place for the Google Cloud in order to secure all the applications that is hosted on. Combination of the Google Cloud infrastructure that is used to deploy the application, and the main key things are Cloud SDK, Cloud Source Repositories, Cloud Build, Cloud Container Registry, Cloud Run Container, and the Flask application. Cloud architecture. Cloud SDK is the set of tools and libraries used for building and managing GCP applications, including client libraries and CLI. Cloud Source Repositories is the secure Git repository for storing, collaborating, and managing code with search and code review. Cloud Build. It is the CI/CD platform for building, testing, and deploying the code. Container Registry. Container Registry is used to store and deploy the Docker container images securely with versioning, geo-replication, and IAM integration.
These are the security features which were implemented in our cloud hosted project. First comes with the reCAPTCHA. This is one of the security feature which is implemented to verify whether the user is a legitimate human or a bot. OAuth authentication, like it is one of the security feature for securing the API authentication and authorization. Next comes with the web application firewall. It is a tool that filters or blocks the malicious web traffic and also extends protection against the attacks like DOS and other cyber attacks. Next comes with the binary authorization, which is responsible for checking only authorized binaries are deployed, and every time it validates with the change made in the Git before it is deployed as a cloud image. Next comes with the Cloud Armor. It is one of the services which is offered by Web Application Firewall, which has predefined security policies. It also provides control access based on the IP address as well as the geographical location. Next comes with the Cloud Trigger. It is responsible for integrating the Git repo with the cloud instance. Also responsible for executing the code based on the specific event. Next comes with the cloud inbound outbound rules, responsible for either allowing or blocking the service based on the applied rules and regulations. Run metrics, it is used to monitor the containerized application on cloud platform. It is one of reCAPTCHA implementation is one of the security features which were implemented for the hosted web application on the cloud. So for in this cloud, it has generated a unique ID for this particular reCAPTCHA one, and this key ID should be integrated both in front end as well as the back end, so that it should be validating every time. This is one of the security feature which have implemented. This is one of the security feature called OAuth consent screen, where it is responsible for securing the API authentication and authorization, which we have integrated to our hosted web application on GCP. This is one of the security feature which were implemented for our hosted web application in GCP called binary authorization, which is responsible for checking the cloud images as and when the code is changed in the GitHub.
That we would like to discuss is the Cloud Armor. Cloud Armor is a security service provided by the Google Cloud Platform, which is mainly designed to protect against most of the network attacks, such as DDoS attack. In GCP, the Cloud Armor is specifically designed keeping in mind to protect web applications and APIs which are hosted on the GCP. And GCP is very helpful in defending against attacks such as protocol-based DDoS attack, a bot-based attack, or it could also be other malware and other sorts of attack that can take down an application. Cloud Armor can be configured to detect or block connections or traffic based on the IP addresses, geolocations, user agent, URL path, and HTTP method, which are some of the common methods which an attacker use to attack a system. A feature in the Google Cloud Platform that is designed to automatically initiate a code build whenever a change is made to the original source repository. The source repositories that is being used can either be internal or external. The external repositories can be GitHub or Bitbucket. The users can always design the cloud trigger to be initiated automatically on a set of parameters. One such example can be when a pull request is made or a new commit is made to the repository. The advantage of this feature is that whenever a developer makes a change to the source, the original repository, the changes are replicated instantaneously to the production environment that is hosted on the Google Cloud Platform. On the other hand, the Google Cloud Run is a feature provided by the GCP that enables developers to run containerized application in a managed environment. The managed environments are a serverless compute platform, which means the infrastructure when it comes to the perspective of a user or an application development is simply serverless. That means the user does not have to invest in a server. The advantages of using the Cloud Run is that whenever a application is hosted, a developer or an organization need not worry about the investment and managing of the physical hardware that is needed to run their application.
Now we'll focus on the recommended security features of the applications that we weren't able to implement into our project since we were using the free trial of GCP. The first one is cloud identity. It is the efficient and secure solutions to manage user identities and access control. Users can access the cloud services using the SSO. SSO is the single sign-on which streamlines the process of login by allowing the users to have only one master credentials, and then they can migrate over either of the cloud platforms. And it increases the security, flexibility, and scalability. The second one is cloud security and command center. It is a platform for Google Cloud security and risk management. It improves the security posture by assessing the security and data attack surfaces. It offers the asset inventory and discovery, detecting misconfiguration and detecting threats, and also it helps in making a DR plan. And the third one is Certificate Manager. It is a tool that allows the GCP clients to manage their SSL and TLS certificates. Users can issue the certificates in advance, decreasing the downtime during migrations. Users can generate and administer SSL TLS certificates for your GCP resources, either by using Google Cloud Managed one or the customer managed services.
We would like to thank everyone for giving us an opportunity to work on this project and demonstrate to everyone the knowledge that we have gained on a cloud platform while working on this project. Thank you very much.